So last exercise here, we're talking about targeting the upper trap, levator, scapula, those muscles that are running from the top of your, or the base of your skull, upper cervical vertebra, down into top of the shoulder blade right here, that inside corner of the shoulder blade, and upper trap goes down a little bit from there. So we're on a long foam roller. This is a 36-inch foam roller here. I just have a nice smooth one. They make pokey ones. They might be a little bit intense for this. So scoot your butt to the end. First, you're just gonna lay back on the foam roller. From here, I'm gonna angle just a little bit. So if I'm right on right now, I'm gonna angle maybe 30 degrees over. Get the weight, kind of the inside of my shoulder sitting right on top of the foam roller. From there, lift my pelvis. That gets my weight kind of right on that knot area at the top of your shoulder blade. From here, take your head, pull it away. You can see I'm not on my neck at all. Kind of using my neck to stretch away, open up that area. Stretch my arm the other way. And then from there, just a tiny little motion, rolling back and forth across there. And you know, if it's a big knot, you're not gonna get it out in one day, but you can work on it, kind of opening it up, getting some more blood flow on there. A little switch, other side. Coming back and forth. So that's how you work through the upper trap, cervical area. Again, that's kind of treating the symptoms of the area. The knot is there because you're using these muscles a ton, because you're letting your head hang forward and having the weight on those muscles. Ideally, you work hard, you get your head stacked up on top of your skull so that you don't have those big knots on the top of your shoulder blade.